This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about bowls, specifically these Voga melamine bowls. We have the 74-ounce round, white, large incline bowl, which you can see has a nice angle to those sides. It flares out just a little bit. It's 8.5 inches in diameter and 4 inches in height. It's got a nice little foot on the bottom, and it has a nice little line design on the side at the bottom and also at the top of the rim for some cute detailing that's nice and subtle. We also have the 74-ounce round white small slant bowl that's 8.5 inches in diameter and 6 3/4 inches in height in the back. You can see this one has a nice open area and the bowl is almost tilted, kind of like it's presenting your salad to you. We also have the 36-ounce round, white, large classic bowl, which you can see has this wonderful large rim on it, making it really easy to hold. It's 12 inches in diameter and 2 inches in height. There's also a few more sizes available. The incline is available in a smaller 16-ounce size, the slant a larger 101-ounce size, and the classic bowl is available in a smaller 20-ounce size. All of these bowls are great for service of large portions of meals, think soups, stews, entrees like pastas, or even large dinner salads. They're scratch resistant and shatterproof, so they're great for long-lasting use versus glass or porcelain without having to worry about chipping or breaking or even replacing those broken dishes or the cleanup of broken glass. The melamine they're made from is a good insulator, so your foods stay warm or at temperature while the outside remains easy to handle and comfortable to touch. They're lightweight as well, making them easy for servers and customers to handle. It's recommended that you hand wash these items and avoid abrasive scrubbing pads. Although they can be washed in the top rack of your dishwasher only, you want to keep in mind that you only want to put them in the top rack. They're great for any restaurant or food establishment looking for long-lasting dishware and serving pieces.